Hello, welcome back. Before we start with a project, I would like to tell you I'm using After Effects 2020. After Effects releases its new version every year with some changes and updates, but most of the things are same. So if you're using a future version or a previous version, don't worry. Much the interface mostly looks same. Also, I'm using a Windows version. If you are a Mac user, some shortcut keys may be different. We'll talk about them later. We can check our After Effects version from here. Go to Help and click on About After Effects. So I'm using version 17.11. We can also look into different help section. This After Effects Help. We can click Help and go to After Effects Help, or we can also click F1 in our keyboard. It will take you to the Adobe After Effects website. So now let's dive into After Effects.